Let's talk about banning games on the playground and what you can do about it. When I say what you can do about it, it's what you can do about the problem that arises and why we ban games on the playground. And I've seen a lot of it. We've, banned football and wall ball and foursquare and tag and Red Rover and everything that involves kids having to be close to each other, win or lose, keep score. They just don't handle it very well. Well, really what we should be doing is just the opposite, is playing more games. If you're really struggling with playing the game, then let's play it more often. Let's get the adults down there and help with playing that game so kids can learn that it's okay to win and lose. It's okay that somebody else is going to be better at running the ball than you are. You can't change the rules in the middle of the game. I like to get together with my PE teachers and say, hey, the theme in my classroom is to teach kids healthy competition, to teach kids how to support each other, school spirit, all of the things we want kids to have in gaming. And hopefully they will do that in their PE class so we can help each other to enhance the skills of our kids. We're not going to solve the problem by banning the game. We need to do more of it. If you want to start out with board games, or one of my favorites is the Battleship, all right? It's only 2 kids playing at a time, and guess what? Somebody's going to have all their ships sunk and someone's going to lose. It's a good way to introduce the skills that they're struggling with out there on the playground. So get those games out, take some time to do it, teach them the skills, and do more of it. Don't ban it. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.